Which of the following is sulfurous acid? A. H2SO4, B. H2SO3, or C. H2S. Acids are compounds that produce hydrogen ions in water. For example, for the acid given in choice A, H2SO4, up to 2 hydrogen ions can break off from the molecule when the compound is placed in water. When the 2 hydrogen ions break off, what is left is a sulfate ion, SO4, with a -2 charge. Similarly, H2SO3 has 2 hydrogen atoms that can break off as hydrogen ions, leaving behind a sulfite ion, SO3, with a -2 charge. And H2S has 2 hydrogen atoms that can break off as hydrogen ions, leaving behind a sulfide ion, S, with a -2 charge. The name of an acid is related to the name of the anion produced once the hydrogen ions are removed. In general, if the name of the acid starts with hydro and ends with ic acid, the name of the anion left behind when hydrogen ions are removed ends in "ide." For example, the anion left behind when hydrogen ions break off from hydrochloric acid is chloride. Since chloride is Cl with a -1 charge, 1 hydrogen ion must break off from hydrochloric acid to produce a chloride ion. So the formula of hydrochloric acid is HCl. If the name of the acid does not start with hydro but ends in ic acid, the name of the anion left behind when hydrogen ions are removed ends in "ate." For example, carbonic acid does not start with hydro, but it ends in ic acid. Therefore, the anion left behind when hydrogen ions break off from carbonic acid is carbonate. Carbonate is CO3 with a -2 charge. The -2 charge means that the molecule it came from must have produced 2 hydrogen ions. So the formula of carbonic acid is H2CO3. Finally, if the name of the acid ends in "us" acid, then the name of the anion left behind when hydrogen ions are removed ends in "ite." Therefore, hypochlorous acid breaks up into hydrogen and hypochlorite ions. Hypochlorite is ClO with a -1 charge. The -1 charge means that the molecule it came from must have produced 1 hydrogen ion. So the formula of hypochlorous acid is HClO. The us in sulfurous acid means that the anion left behind when the hydrogen ions broke off from the molecule is sulfite. The formula for sulfite is SO3 with a -2 charge. Since a molecule of sulfurous acid is neutral, the molecule must have lost 2 hydrogen ions. The charge of 2 hydrogen ions is 2 times +1 and 1 sulfite ion that add up to 0. Therefore, the formula of sulfurous acid is H2SO3. The correct answer is choice B. Let's examine choices A and C. If we were to remove 2 hydrogen ions from H2SO4, we would end up with SO4 with a -2 charge. SO4 with a -2 charge is called sulfate. Therefore, H2SO4 is sulfuric acid. How about choice C? If we were to remove 2 hydrogen ions from H2S, we would end up with S with a -2 charge. S with a -2 charge is sulfide. Therefore, H2S is hydrosulfuric acid.